What's good, YouTube? It's Bookadarian here, and today I'll be using the TRUArt wood burning kit to practice wood burning. I'm extremely new to wood burning, and I've only been practicing for around a week now, but I want to show y'all my process and my setup as a beginner. I was inspired to start wood burning because I wanted a new hobby that involved creativity, and I also saw TikToks and Instagram Reels and other videos on social media of some amazing designs. I'll probably put a few on the screen here that people created, so I wanted to give it a try myself. I truly feel like the gifts that people create or put together by hand by themselves mean the most because they really took the time and efforts to create something that you would want. So I wanted to try doing that for my friends and family too. So after showing y'all the setup, I'm going to show y'all the process of me actually transferring my image into my canvas, and then after that I'll show y'all a time lapse of me actually wood burning. So let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so I bought this TRUArt Professional Dual Pen from the TRUArt website for $269, but I believe now it's on sale for $205. And now I want to show y'all the items that it came with. It comes with this digital temperature control tool, which is used to control the heat and also choose which pen is actually receiving the heat, since you can have two plugged up at the same time. It also comes with these two pens, which are used to do the wood burning. A nice pair of tweezers, this nice tote case that it comes with. Also, these are like the copper sort of pen holders, which is used to store your pens when you're not using them and to ensure that when you're not burning, nothing gets burned. Here are the nice cleaning tools. And it also came with 40 pen tips. And the manual is actually used to show, it has a lot of good information. It gives you different designs you can use, and then it also shows what each pen is used for. And here's a close-up of all the pen's tips that it came with. I also bought a wooden canvas, a graphite block, and a fan from Amazon. The graphite block will be used to transfer designs to the wood, and the fan is to make sure that the smoke doesn't blow directly in my nostrils and my face. But now I'm going to get into actually printing the picture that I'll be burning. The image that I'll be transferring is none other than Monkey D. Luffy from One Piece. One Piece is definitely one of my favorite animes. It's up there, like top 3, top 2, maybe even top 1. Up there with Dragon Ball Z, Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood, Yu Yu Hakusho. Like, it's one of the GOATs. The picture that I saved is already a good size for my canvas, but if needed, you can resize the image to make sure that it fits the wood that you plan to burn on. After printing the image, turn it over and outline where the majority of the image is with a number 2 pencil. And then take your pencil or a graphite block and shade in the area you outline. This step in the process did take a little bit of elbow grease. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I did have to put in the work. That's why I have these monster forearms with such impeccable size and shape that allowed me to do things like this, man. I did end up getting some graphite all over my computer, but that's nothing a good wipe can't fix. Next, take your image and align it to your wood canvas. Make sure it's lined up how you want it to appear on your canvas. You can use tape to secure the paper if needed. Then take a pen and trace the major lines of the image. This will cause the graphite to transfer onto your wood and provide an outline for you. You actually don't have to press down too hard. I would say just use the pen as you would regularly and it'll still work. And as we lift the image from the wood, you can see that our outlines are shown on the wood so that we can use them to start wood burning. Okay, y'all, so now I'm about to actually start the process of wood burning. I was hyping myself up like I was about to start with the Luffy picture, but then I was like, let me not mess this up. So I ended up practicing with a piece of wood that I've basically just use straight for practice. As you can see, it says hello world. That was the first thing I burned. That's how you know I'm an IT major. I'm gonna show y'all me practicing for a little bit, and then the time lapse is gonna start of me doing the Luffy pictures. So I hope y'all enjoy.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, here are the final results. There's definitely room for improvement, but I like how it turned out, especially for my first full project. Eventually, I'm going to learn how to shade, how to get straighter and more detailed lines. But for now, I want to thank y'all for watching and ask that y'all like and subscribe and join me on my journey.